A blanket spread across the sky, so deep and dark and blue. The stars lit up their tiny lamps, the night in sparkle grew. The moon then whispered softly, "Come, let's play tonight. Take the boat of dreams with me, we'll sail in silver light." The stars all chime together, we'll give you gifts so bright. Don't you fear the dark at all, we'll guard you through the night. In gardens bloom the flowers, spreading fragrance sweet. The gentle wind was singing with songs so soft, so neat. The crickets sang till morning, the leaves all swayed with cheer. The children slept in slumber as Dreamland drew them near. In dreams they swung on rainbows, fairies came in hues, climbing up the ladder bright of shining rainbow clues. Sometimes the moon turned grandma with stories soft and sweet, and sometimes stars played hide and seek with laughter pure and neat. The sun then gave its morning call, the world lit up in gold. The moon waved back so softly, "We'll meet again, be bold."